The French most French teachers teach, including myself, is modern standard French, right? It's the French that you will hear when you speak with French people. It's the French that you hear when we make sure that we are speaking properly. But we don't always speak properly. And I'm not talking about cursing, I'm talking about slang, expressions, ways of speaking that are not necessarily grammatically correct, but that we use nevertheless. And if you intend to understand TV shows, new music, new movies, and even French people when they are speaking fully, natively in French, this new way of speaking should be an interest for you. So in this video, we are going to study this new kind of French by looking at a song by the French rapper Damso. For copyright reasons, I cannot include the music in this video, so we're going to study the text and then afterwards you can go and listen to this music. So I have the lyrics here. Let's start with the chorus. That is going to give us an idea of what kind of story we are dealing with. Le monde est à nous, le monde est à toi et moi. Mais peut-être que sans moi, le monde sera à toi. Et peut-être qu'avec lui, le monde sera à vous. Et c'est peut-être mieux ainsi. Mes sentiments dansent la Macarena. Donc je me dis que si t'es avec lui, tu te sentiras mieux. Mais si tu te sens mieux, tu te souviendras plus de moi. Oh là là, mon cœur danse la Macarena. La 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 la. So that translates into the world is ours, the world is yours and mine. But maybe without me, the world will be yours. And maybe with him, the world will be yours. And maybe that's better this way. My feeling dance the Macarena. So I was thinking that if you're with him, you'll feel better. But if you feel better, you will forget me. Oh la la, my heart dances the Macarena. So we have a love triangle here. We have a man who is singing about a woman who is seeing another man. And he's wondering if she will not be better off with that other man. But then if she goes with that other man, then she will forget him. And that's not something that he wants. So he's not sure what to do. What's very interesting in this chorus for us is all those apostrophes. And in French, like any other language, we tend to shorten words. That's how languages usually tend to evolve. We try to shorten words, to shorten sentences so that we use less energy to say the same things. So French is no exception, and when we are speaking in French, there is a sound that we usually skip, and that is the sound E. E. E is sort of this baseline sound in French, upon which all the other sounds and consonants and vowels are going to develop. So this sound, which is a sound that we are using when we are looking for words actually as well. So this sound, we tend to skip it when we can. And this is why that instead of peut-être, we have peut-être, peut-être. Ou sera, we have sera. Ou je me dis, we have je me dis. Now in the first verse, we're going to have something slightly different. Fair warning, we are going to talk about sex and it's going to get a little bit graphic. Sabrina. T'es déjà trentenaire, on s'envoie en l'air. Mais j'ai que la vingtaine, donc j'ai que ça à faire. Me parle pas de mariage, te fais perdre ton temps. Mais qu'est-ce que c'est bon quand je plotte tes implants. Je me sens comme avant, comme quand j'avais rien à battre. Je suis jeune, m'en fous de l'avenir, de ce que notre relation va devenir. Mais pour lui, ce n'est pas le cas, il a déjà un taf. Il fait le mec mature, mais tu sais qu'au lit, plus que lui, j'assure. Rappelle-toi, quand t'avais des courbatures, je t'avais bien niqué ta race. Rappelle-toi bien de la suite dans les hôtels et les suites. Je t'invitais aux soirées VIP, à la télé tu regardais mes clips. On l'a fait sans autotune sur une prod de Twistmatic. C'est ma manière romantique de dire que j'avais pas mis de préservatif. So in this first verse, we have again here a lot of places where this E sound is skipped and this spoken French is coming through. Je te fais perdre ton temps, j'ai que ça à faire. Je me sens, je t'avais, etc., etc. But we also have slang here and ways of speaking. On s'envoie en l'air. We are getting late. Je n'avais rien à battre. I didn't give a shit, I didn't give a damn. And it's going to be the same in the second verse. J'ai fait semblant de bien aller quand t'as démarré que t'es allé chez lui. Bah non, j'ai rien dit, pourtant je le savais que tu baisais pour t'évader. Après tout, j'étais là que pour dépanner. Je vais pas trop m'étaler, saigner, fallait, blessé, je l'étais. Je t'ai remballé, tu m'as remplacé, tu m'as délaissé. Mais comme tout salaud, je t'ai téléphoné, je t'ai récupéré, puis je t'ai fait pleurer. Parce que j'en ai rien à foutre, c'est ça la life. Qu'est-ce que tu croyais? Tu baises avec moi, tu baises avec d'autres. Même si je fais pareil, c'est pas la même chose. Bah oui et non, moi j'ai besoin de ma dose, de ma libido. Et casse pas les yucks, fais pas celle qui réplique. De toute façon, je veux plus trop qu'on s'explique. So we have the same spoken French here with sounds that are skipped and with words that are shortened. I don't know if you noticed, but there is also une allitération. We talked about what une allitération is in the video about Cyrano de Bergerac. So une allitération is une figure de style, and here we have, je vais pas trop m'étaler, saigner, fallait, blessé, je l'ai été, je t'ai remballé, tu m'as remplacé, tu m'as délaissé. We have this E sound that comes back, étalé, saigner, fallait, blessé, été, remballé, remplacé, etc., etc. And then at the end here, we have another type of slang, an older type of slang actually, but modernized. You probably have heard of le verlan. Le verlan in French is an old type of slang where we switch the syllables around of a word to create a new one. For example, with the word tomber, tomber, we would transform it in verlan by béton, béton. Here we have the word yuk. It's not a word that is in a dictionary, it's very new. It comes from the word couille, couille, which means testicles. So if we apply the same principle to the word couille, couille, and that we reverse the syllables, we have yeucou, yeucou, right? That would be the proper verlan slang way to say couille, but kind of sounds a little bit weird. And so because we want to modernize this and that we want to shorten the word, yeucou becomes yeuk, yeuk. So I encourage you to go and have a listen to this song because it's a perfect example of what modern French words sound like. There are a lot of slang and rude expressions in this song as well, but the use of these shortened words is especially interesting. So you can type Damso Macarena in the search bar on YouTube and you will find the official clip of this song. As for me, if you want more songs, interpretations and song translation, I have a whole playlist about it and you just have to click here.